The tax law that passed in 2025 came with the no tax on tips deduction. And here are 3 tips that I'm implementing this season because this one's gonna take some real detective work on our side.
Hi Tax Pros, this is Nadia Rodriguez, CPA, and this is your Tax Tip Tuesday.
Tip number 1, those employees that receive tips. I'm looking at box 7 of their Form W-2. If I don't see an amount there, I'm gonna head over to box 14, or maybe an attached statement to the W-2. Now, if I don't see amounts there, I'm gonna be asking for the Form 4070. That's the form where they report the tips to their employer. But if they didn't report any tips to their employer, then we're gonna file Form 4137. Now that's the form that, yes, you're gonna report the tips, pay the FICA, but we're gonna need that type of documentation for the tip deduction on Schedule 1A. Tip number 2, you're gonna wanna settle in for this one. Those self-employed taxpayers, that's gonna require more investigative work on our side. First question, are they receiving tips? Second, how are they receiving these tips? Is it cash, Zelle, credit cards? Because here's the key. The tips must first be reported on Form 1099-K, 1099-NEC, or 1099 miscellaneous. Cash and Zelle tips, they won't be reported on these forms, which means they won't qualify for the deduction. And tip number 3, really get to know your client. Ask those questions. How are they generating the revenue? Is it a product? Is it a service they're providing? And if it's a service, what industry? Because if the service that they're providing qualifies as a specified service, trade, or business, an SSTB, SSTBs do not qualify for the tip deduction. And there's 13 categories that you need to review. You and I, we're one of them. And here's a quick recap on that tip deduction. It's up to $25,000, and it's only available from 2025 through the year 2028. And if you have clients that are married, they have to file jointly in order to receive this deduction. Now remember, the tips must be reported on Forms W-2, 1099-NEC, 1099 miscellaneous, 1099-K. Make sure that we're asking for those forms and that we're asking the right questions to our clients. Share in the comments, what are your best practices for this tip deduction? I'll see you next Tuesday. And this has been your Tax Tip Tuesday, brought to you by Intuit Accountants, helping tax professionals stay informed and prepared.